Before we start the video, I gotta say today is my birthday and I gotta give a big shout out to my friend Jay Jones, who magically came by today, brought me this amazing birthday gift. Nice note, the packaging, the box, everything was incredible. He knows that I don't mess around with goat milk and stuff like that. So, cheeses, meats, scotch. Thank you, Jay Jones. Appreciate you, brother. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a special treat. A Snake River Farms picanha, beautiful cut of meat. This is one of our favorite things to cook. We're gonna be outside on the world's smallest patio on the Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. We're gonna be using some Jealous Devil charcoal. We're gonna be using some wood. And I am pumped, babe.
And it's your birthday.
And it's my birthday. So normally picanha, you see them in Brazilian restaurants and stuff. It's seasoned with salt only. A lot of times they cut it into steaks. They put it on skewers. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna try and cook it like a prime rib. We're gonna leave it whole. We're gonna smoke it up until about 125 degrees internal. We're gonna pull it off. We're gonna slice it thin. I think you're gonna make some
Crostinis. Some horseradish sauce.
Oh yeah.
A little arugula.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be very delicious.
We're gonna do a lot of stuff with it. It's gonna be a fun video, so hang around with us. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good birthday.
Yay.
All right, baby, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, and here we go. Okay, so we took it out of the package. We did a little light trimming, and now Babe is gonna score the fat cap, only going in one direction. That's gonna help the fat open up as it renders a little bit, get the seasoning in there. And we're cooking this as a whole roast today. So I think it's gonna be really, really good. We're gonna cut it against the grain when it's all done. And this is literally one of our favorite cuts of meat.
It's my absolute favorite. Yeah, I love this.
Okay, so next, we're gonna be using our favorite. It's the Carne Sutra. It's basically like salt, pepper, garlic on crack. It's so good. TD's made an amazing product. So let's start on the underside, babe.
Okay.
We'll flip it over. As you can see, we did a little light trimming. The grain is running this way. So Babe's just gonna pat it in. And we'll flip it over and we'll season the fat side. And then we're gonna let this chill uncovered in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. And while this is chilling, I'll go outside and I'll get the Oklahoma Joe fired up. Perfect, babe. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, now that we got the picanha seasoned up, we put it back in the refrigerator, uncovered. We're gonna let that chill for a little while. We're gonna cook some other things outside here on the world's smallest patio. So let me show you how I'm gonna get my Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker set up today. Of course, we're gonna be using the best charcoal ever, Jealous Devil lump charcoal today. I'm gonna get my little bed of coals with that, and today I'm gonna be using California red oak. Now, if you've heard of that before, California red oak, classic Santa Maria style grilling. So we're gonna be using that wood today. I'm really excited about that. We're gonna be making ribs, all kinds of other things. It's gonna be a great birthday. Anyways, we are going to be using our Grill Blazer grill gun. Let me show you guys how this thing lights. It's amazing. Listen to the noise. This thing will light in 60 seconds. You get your Jealous Devil lit, you'll get your wood lit, you'll start to build your fire. Love this thing. It's a super fun toy. Highly recommend. Link below in description. Pick yourself up one. It is really, really fun to use. Okay, so we're gonna get our barbecue all set up. We're gonna get everything all set up. We'll bring you back when we pull the picanha out of the refrigerator, let it come up to temperature a little bit, and we'll start smoking it.
All right, so we fired up the Oklahoma Joe.
Oh yeah, babe.
It's ready to go. But what we want to show you are our new shirts.
Oh, that's right, babe.
You see Josh in his often, but this is my first one.
Yeah, babe. Awesome.
Yay.
Out here on the world's smallest patio. How's your patio doing, babe?
It drives me nuts. It makes me crazy every day.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, babe.
What are you going to do? My eyes are burning a little bit.
Babe, we've been cooking all day.
I know.
But you know what? Now it's
yummy.
Time for the prize package.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
It's time to put our picanha on.
Okay, so we put the thermometer in the meatiest part of it, okay? And then we're going to put it on at 275 over that red oak. And then, yeah, babe, we're just going to roll it until 125, let it rest, slice it against the grain. It's going to be amazing.
Okay, so we're making our sauce for the crostinis. So it's a horseradish.
This has been hours later, babe.
Oh, it's a lot of, yeah. Sour cream, cream style horseradish. We're using a little bit of kosher salt and some parsley flakes. So I've got it's 50-50 horseradish to sour cream mix. We're going to put a tiny bit of salt in there. Just a tiny, tiny bit. To taste. Okay? Some parsley. And we will be ready to plate. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we let it rest for 30 minutes. And we are now cutting. Ooh, it is going to be delicious. So we have very thin pieces like this right here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And you can just tear the little piece of fat off and eat that. And let me show you how delicious it is. Okay. Let's keep going.
And you're cutting against the grain.
Yes. Always against the grain. Oh boy.
Amazing.
Amazing. Oh yeah. So good. So good, so good. So good. Here, babe. You want a bite?
Yes.
Okay.
Babe, that is ridiculous. It is so good. That is so crazy. What do you think, babe?
It is yummy.
That's crazy. It's so good. It's so good.
This is a big cut. It's kind of like a prime rib.
Yeah.
This is the prime rib of Brazil. So good.
It really is crazy, babe. What do you think?
Delicious.
Are you grubbing?
Mm-hmm.
That Jealous Devil charcoal never lets you down. Wow. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. I mean, these are very yummy. I've eaten a couple of them, and it is very good. It is a very, very yummy. Let's put a little arugula on here, and we are gonna be. Birthday crostinis, arugula, horseradish sauce.
And these
Delicious.
lights that literally look like the sun is coming on my face.
Picanha.
Look at.
Are you ready?
What is going on here? Look at that. Oh.
This
Babe.
thing is yum yum in our tum tum.
Oh. Let's just.
Cheers.
Oh my
Whoa,
goodness.
whoa,
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, we're not cheersing? You're just shoveling. You're that hungry.
I'm yelling.
Ah.
Oh. Oh. Wow. It's a little spicy. But it's not spicy. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. Those are...
Very good.
Oh. Woo. No.
The horseradish brings out the flavor of the meat. And then the arugula tops it off. It's so good.
Oh my goodness. Babe, you literally... Look at those. Oh, what about those ribs? Babe, do you have something to say about those ribs?
They were pretty good.
Oh, now
They
all
were
of a sudden.
They were good. They were pretty good.
They were good.
Pretty good. Pretty darn good.
Salmon, potatoes.
Yeah.
What is that?
Asparagus.
Asparagus. How was the picanha?
Very delicious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, is that a birthday cake back there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Happy birthday, babe.
No, happy birthday to you. Gosh. I can cut these with a fork.
Oh, now all of a sudden you like the ribs.
I mean, yeah, these are great. All of a sudden, no, it's taken years to get here. Years.
Okay, babe. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.